Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book, Warships for the King, Anne Wyatt, 1658-1757, Her Life and Her Ships, by Tobias Philbin and plans by Richard Endsor of the 74-gun ship HMS Cumberland of the 1774. From 1691 to 1698, 7 major warships were built in the yards run by Anne Wyatt and her husband, and after his death by Anne alone. Tobias Philbin has documented the story of this amazing woman who built a significant part of the British Navy. She was the first and only woman to accomplish this feat. The book takes us through her life in part 1 and then through her ships in part 2. Many pictures of ship models and maritime art are used to illustrate the text. In addition, Richard Endsor, author of the Restoration Navy, has provided a set of plans of HMS Cumberland that was built by Anne Wyatt. They are in 1:96 scale and are provided in a rare pocket. There is also a copy of Cumberland's original contracts in the appendix. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.